Hi guys, so what's up, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please go ahead to like this video, leave a comment down in the comment section. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please go ahead and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend about Life as a Medic Awesome channel. Alright guys, so today I'm do a nice little bun. Can I pull up a
nice little bun?
babes?
That me you say give one nice little bun. I mean never wish for you today. Feel long.
You hear me say me give one nice little bun?
That me here.
Huh?
Anyways,
right now we are, as according to babes, we don't eat, we consume. Look at nice little diet cereal. Nice diet cereal. Watch out. What are we gonna do? Eh? Man, super excited now, you know, guys. I don't know why.
I'm gonna break in.
Eh?
I'm puffy bun.
Babes, I want to do an unboxing video. And look where you...
So you don't go and go do it?
But look where you put on my ear.
They have drape me up. What do you expect?
Because people, you see they drape up here? They drape up and sit down, I have to do all the time, you know? All the time. I don't know why I have to drape up all the time. Why I have to drape up all the time? Eh? My man gone. You know why my man gone? My man gone.
Me papa fi bun.
Oh my God, babe, hush. Hush. Fix it.
Move on.
Let me fix it for you.
No, that can't fix. Come. Tell the people in my yard, no?
Let me fix it for you.
Tell the people in my yard.
Let me fix it for you.
Ready.
So babe went ahead and bought an Xbox. Babe, Xbox. I don't know what that means. For all the ladies out there who one man were addicted to.
Me not addicted.
Oh, they ain't addicted. You are addicted.
So I go. If you have, me can't go on the road. So
listen, let me tell you what Audience operate when they come on to game, right? Right? Because he had a game before, but he just upgrade to get a new one. Alright? So, it's when Audience don't teach for school days, what Audience do? Audience turn on the game. Audience play the game on the TV. You see me go up on the road, and you see if me go up on the road and go up on the road 2 o'clock, to 3 o'clock, to 4 o'clock, to 5 o'clock, to 6 o'clock, 6:30, I'm just a roll in. Audience is sitting right here in this settee. Anyone yes are over there, so? And Audience don't move. You know, until Audience move, me come and see one little cup or a little snack beside him, and he eat one little snack, me while him a play a game. You see me there now 6:30, me coming in 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, next 9 o'clock. Babes, a time to go bed. 10 o'clock if I'm not chat. Mr. Busy now then. One more game. When you look, one more game, 2 more games. 11 o'clock. Mr. Audience, what's going on? Bedtime.
I just love FIFA. Can't do nothing about it. Anyways.
Take the stand in my video. He's gonna unbox his Xbox. He's going to unbox his Xbox. I think this is the last time I can officially say my job. Officially say that. Say what? On your ear. This is the last time I can say this is mine. The Xbox officially own him now. Alright, take on the show now.
Wow.
Your time, so go unbox the thing.
Oh yeah, me one here you take.
Alright guys, so I'm already pulled this already. Babe, what is this?
Charger.
Charge
the battery then for the controller.
To charge the batteries for the controller. So if there's anybody out there who is interested in about all of this, babe, show them the little box that it came in. He purchased it on Amazon. How much was it again, babe? 24 Yes, it was $24 and I think 99 cents. So battery charger for XSS, XSX, and X1. What are those XSS and?
I just see Xbox overall charger.
Yeah, but it said 4XS. It says 4XSS, 4XSX.
Alright, Xbox One S, Xbox but I remember what I want for. I remember what I want for.
Okay.
Remember I want for my own.
So this is it. He went on Amazon and just, what did you type in when you went on Amazon to look for it?
Let's type in Xbox controller charger, battery charger.
Okay, so you just typed in controller battery charger, and it came with the card but not the adapter, so you have to get your own adapter, and he's showing you that it's charging over there. Find where the other place in bust the box to make sure that it was intact, and
the phone for the box one not mainly.
That would be your bad luck. I tell you, I'm glory this, you know, guys. I'm glory this. I'm glory this. Woo!
Heavy, sir.
Dog, I work money now. Money now. Rich now. Rich now. Rich now. Okay, so you might be wondering, did he order this online? Did he ship it to Jamaica? Oh yes, he did. Was it cheap? No, it was not. That's it. I'm saying, but no. Not tear up your box like that.
A mistake.
Listen, in Jamaica, we have to always remain like down on the flat because the government don't want to see us thrive. Or should I say the government or customs don't want to see us thrive.
Same government and why them work together.
Eh?
Same government and why them work together.
Alright, so he got this. Come now, man, unbox the thing. Go through this and tell the people them about it. What are persons out there who are interested. So this is what, the manual?
For everything we have to connect. So the charger, the HDMI, and the same controller with battery part. Them not going on.
Alright, so that was the manual. You know, manual tell everything how it work, all of that. All this, all that. So the big reveal. I did black your buy?
Gray.
Gray? The white one did all the. This I will show more dirt bridging. Okay. So this is Xbox what, babe?
1S.
This is Xbox One S. What is different about this and the white one?
The color.
The two of them are the same thing?
And this have more space.
So why you need space? Oh, why you need space on the Xbox?
If you have a little bit of space again, it don't make no sense because
guys, the entire video me I wonder what's going on with this goat. This was like my neighbor's goat, and the goat just decided to go off while recording.
and when they want to buy a game, them look at get this shit man. Yeah. When they buy something there, when they buy a game online, you need space because sometimes game need update. So
okay,
the update take up space. Same like your full iPhone. Anyways,
I should just literally stop recording this video, don't it? Bright. So he got a HDMI card. What else did you receive?
Control.
He got a control with it. A controller. It's what, grade 2? Controller. What else did you receive?
Nothing at all.
So where's the charger? How does it charge or plug in?
What this?
The Xbox.
See charger. See plug in.
Okay, came with a charger.
And the charger to plug it.
Oh yeah, to plug it in. Yeah, it does not. You have to plug it in for it. It does not keep charge, so you have to plug it in, which means say. What I mean, babes? Light bill.
I mean fun time for me.
Is it working well? It's not pressing?
Not on yet.
Okay.
I guess I just feel like a slack.
So it's wireless. Come the babes. Wireless what?
You have here so you can use though. You have just in case anything.
Oh, so it's not only wireless.
Yeah,
It's
wireless. So you can plug in and you can just press a button here. You can actually turn on the game without having to press this button here, so which is the power button. So my game can do this and me sit down here so I just hold on the button here and turn on the game.
okay. The other day for the other one, babe said me go turn it on. And the button down here, so me press.
And this I press.
Are this my press?
And that's how you see this.
Oh yeah, and this is actually the button that you press. I like it. And oh, you can put Netflix on it.
I need Netflix, man.
So tell the people them why you can't do no green.
Everything I like one, only thing you can do a call. So any app you want to download and put on it, you can download any app at all and put on it.
So you can put Netflix on it, guys. You can put oh yes, any app. So Netflix, Google, anything as he said before. So this is babe with his Xbox. Are you gonna try it now to see if it works? Okay, so he's gonna try it now to see if it works. This is one other thing to pay. Every time babes I play Xbox, I see me picture and just I put it around this and it round this so. Let me tell you I got officially put it.
I know I try.
Okay. So I give one space, time I got officially put it one space. I think I under some tell everything.
Underneath.
Under yes.
So you think man put it there?
Why? Me no want it when you go there so what become of my picture? Like see a picture over there so. Okay. It under go there so or nothing bigger under this so yeah. So he's trying it now to see if it works. Okay. Alright, so Xbox One come up on the TV and that kind of signify the first step of it actually working. Oh. Okay, so he's gonna try to see if the thing that he bought is gonna work in the control. So babe was struggling with trying to fit up the battery in the Xbox, but I had to fix it for him. What? Oh, to the internet? I had to fix it for him. So, yeah. Even though I don't want him to be happy, I still help him to be happy. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Listen. I'll update you people on how this Xbox is going to get dashed out of the house in a 2 days time. Alright, so not true. Fix up your face, man, and light up your face. He's not happy at this point, but it's okay. Alright guys, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.